To get started, you want to arrange your threads in order on the board. So you want 3 sections of 4 threads, and your shortest threads will be 1 in from the left and 1 in from the right. And the reason these ones can be kept short is because they will only ever be knotted over and they're never going to be knotted with. So to begin the first row, you want to do a square knot for each of these 3 sections. So I'm just going to start at this side, but you can start with any one that you want. And put the outside threads on each of this section to one side, and then clip the 2 in the centre back to the board. And then I'm going to do a square knot by bringing this thread over and then over and then pulling it through. And then working under, under, and then pulling through. And then I'm just going to clip it back to the board to keep it neat as I'm working along for the rest of the row. So once you've done the square knot there, you want to do the same thing for your next 2 sections. So to do your second row, you want to reduce your 3 sections into 2 sections, and to do this you're going to remove 2 threads from one side and put that out of the way, and then you want to remove 2 threads from the outside at the other side, and again just put these out of the way. And then you want to split the remaining threads into 2 equal sections, so you should have 4 at each side. And then, like you did last time, you want to do a square knot in each section. So for your third row, you want to reduce your 2 sections into 1 section. So you're going to do the same thing you did last time and remove 2 threads at each side and put those up out of the way. And this should leave you with 4 threads in the centre, so you just want to do 1 square knot for your centre. So for your 4th row, you want to be working back out again. So you want to take your 1 section and make it into 2 sections by taking the 2 threads that you dropped last time at each side, and then splitting the 1 section that you had to form 2 sections again. And again, you just want to do square knots like you did last time. So for your 5th row, you're going to be back to the beginning again, and you're going to do a square knot here, here and here like you did last time, and you're going to keep repeating these steps all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And once you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've started this one with a loop, so I've got 2 braided tie-on ends at this end. But if you started from a flat edge here, you could just do 1 braided tie-on end here and 1 braided tie-on end here. And that is your completed bracelet.